Want to learn how to make a dancing balloon man? Watch this video. First thing I did was I picked my favorite color of Blinko balloons. I picked yellow, but you can pick any color you want. I use the 6-inch ones, but you can use the larger ones if you like. First, I pumped up the Blinko balloon to 6 inches. I used 5 for the legs, 4 for the arms, and 3 for the body. With the legs, I tied them together, as you can see, as you do a little dance. Starting to come together. Don't forget to subscribe to YeBalo Balloons so you can see all the cool things that we build. What's a face without a smile? So I added a mouth, eyes, and a nose. And then we did a little dance. And come on outside, let me show you how he dances. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe because there'll be a lot more coming your way.